Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a privacy-focused email service that protects your messages using strong encryption with a password. While a password secures your account, adding two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of protection. In order to do so, you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer. After that, in the top, you can find this address bar, type on proton.me and enter it. And you need to log into your account in the top right. And once you get logged in over here, you can find this mail icon here. Select this mail icon. Over here we can find this top right corner of this setting gear. Click onto this setting gear. You need to select this top right corner of your profile over here, and over here you need to select this all setting in the top again. And once you get into this setting interface, on the left hand side we can find this done up account interface. You need to select this account and password over here, and over here we can find this two-factor authentication. What you can do is you need to simply toggle on this icon of 2, and over here you need to enter your password, and after that you can select this authenticate, and that is it. After enabling 2FA, Proton Mail will show you recovery codes as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.